dear students. Welcome to my online class. Hope you are fine. I am also fine. Today I am going to talk about articles, and it is the second class of articles. And today I will discuss the use of a and n in 5 rules. Hope you will stay with me. Let's get started. Rule 1. If you find vowel sound, then you have to use N, and if you find consonant sound, then you have to use A before the word. So you have to notice whether it is vowel sound or it is consonant sound. For example, I need a grammar book. You notice grammar, and this letter starts with consonant, and this is why we have to use A before the word grammar. And in second example, he ate an apple yesterday. Here apple starts with vowel, and if you find vowel related word, then you have to use N before the word. This is why you have to use N before apple. So what's the summary? If you find vowel sound, then you have to use N, and if you find consonant sound, then you have to use A. Rule 2. If you have a word started with vowel but the pronunciation is like U, then you have to use A before the word. Guess you have a word started with vowel but the sound is like U, then what will happen? Will you use N? Of course not. You have to use A before the word. For example, my brother is a university student. You find here university started with U, and you know U is a vowel. Though the word starts with vowel, yet we have to use A because its sound is like U. And in second sentence, I have a U. E-W-E-U. Though it starts with vowel, yet we have to use A before the word U. Rule 3. If you find a word started with consonant H, and if it is unpronounced or pronounced like O, then you have to use N before the expected word. For example, his father is an honorable person. In this sentence, you find the word honorable, but the word starts with H. If you delete H, then what's the pronunciation? The pronunciation is honorable. And if you use H, what's the pronunciation? The pronunciation is honorable. So H is unpronounced here. And if you find a word where H is unpronounced, then you have to use N before the word. I have another example. I need an hour to complete the task. And what's the pronunciation of this word? The pronunciation of this word is hour. And H is unpronounced here. And if you delete H from this word, then the pronunciation is the same. And if you use H here, then also the pronunciation is same. This is why you have to use N before the word hour. Rule 4. You have to use N in every O-added word except one. You have to use A before one related word. If I summarize, then you have to remember that you have to use N in every O-added word only except one, and if you find one, then you have to use A before one. I need a 1 taka note. In this sentence, you have to remember that this is 1, and if you find 1, then you have to use A before 1. I saw one-eyed man yesterday. In this sentence, you have to use also A before one-eyed man. And in rule 5, in abbreviative word, a or an will be used according to their pronunciation. If its pronunciation is like vowel, then you have to use an, and its pronunciation is like consonant, then you have to use a before the word. For example, my father is an LLB. Here L is pronounced like vowel, L like A. This is why you have to use an before LLB. And in second example, he is a BA. B is here like consonant, and if you find consonant, then you have to use A before the pronunciated word. Thank you very much, students, to stay with me. I have tried to make you understand the use of a or and in my 5 rules. I hope you have enjoyed the class. I will again come with you with a new chapter. Till then, keep safe and sound. Assalamu alaikum.